Habulin ko na rin talaga. Yeah. I was taking my time. It's my fault. Parang hindi gumagalaw yung minutes ha. Malilate pa ata tayo sa gondola. Dami kasing side quest. Binibilis ako na nga maglakad. 12 minutes and 4 o'clock. Kung nag 4 o'clock pala ako, hindi ako aabot. Kahit na kala ko kanina maaga pa. Okay. Kailangan natin umabot, mahal yung gondola eh. Nandito na ata ako. 1 minute around this area meeting place and I'm 5 minutes early. So inabot ako ng 1 hour. Ang dami ko rin kasi nakikita. Like here. Okay. 28 euros lang daw yung food. All-inclusive na ng appetizer. At saka. So generally mura dito ha. For a tourist destination. Arriving. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang muna. Hindi daw. Doon, I mean, sila yung provider pero main office daw nila yun. Dapat daw sa branch. 5 minutes na lang, di ba? 4:25 na. Tapos 7 minutes walk. So, habulin ko na rin talaga. Yeah. I was taking my time. It's my fault. Things I never learned as a traveler. Sana umabot. O hindi, sorry na lang, ganyan talaga when traveling. Okay, look, nasa St. Peter's Square na ako. But we don't have time to talk about this. Pero ang ganda. Andito pala yung nagpapapicture na birds na sinasabi ko. Pero, oh sorry. Okay. Pabalikan ko kayo. St. Mark's Square pala, not St. Peter's Square. I think it's here. This is the Ojo guide, right?
This is also for you. Ciao.
Okay, thank you.
Ciao, Valentina.
Okay, we made it. This is the Ojo. Yeah, this is the Ojo guide. Yes, umabot tayo. Sakto. Gondola number 4.